Hey, Iyo!
In terms of your, like, when you exited the house, parang, what happened right after? Parang, were you still being involved sa PBB or were you getting opportunities?
I did
Getting
get some.
contact?
I did get some
Okay.
na opportunities naman. It wasn't much,
Mhm.
but it was enough naman.
Mhm.
Alam mo yun, you were able to get an experience of
Okay,
how it
yes.
is like to do TV.
Mhm.
Pero but like yung talagang deep na like the taping or
Yeah.
whatever, walang ganun talaga.
Ah,
Kasi the resources were limited.
okay. So what you got after that? Mga ads.
Guestings din. We've
Guestings.
done like Magandang Buhay, Showtime,
Okay.
etc. Tapos, social media, postings. Like,
Okay.
brands will
Yes.
contact you to promote their products or whatever. Mostly that. But like,
Okay.
movies or TV series or shows, wala.
Okay. I see. So it was parang you had a honeymoon phase after.
Oo.
Pero eventually nag-decide ka you didn't want to pursue it.
Oo.
What made you decide na parang showbiz maybe not for me?
Yeah.
Kasi parang for me I see the personality.
The deciding factor for me is yung pagiging fickle niya. It's fickle. It's inherently fickle. Alam mo yun? Like, what I mean is, it's an industry or it's a line of job na no work, no pay. If wala kang project, wala kang taping, wala kang anything, wala kang pera, wala kang trabaho. For example, nagkaroon ka ng mga taping ngayon, kailan yung next?
Oo.
Diba? Halimbawa, kumita ka ng ganitong amount ngayon, let's say 6 digits, 100,000, 200,000, kumita ka ng gano'n. Kailan yung next?
Mm-hmm.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, yung ganong lack of stability, hindi ko siya kaya.
Okay.
Like, I'd rather have a normal job that pays me on a regular basis.
Yeah.
Yun. So, and the opportunities talaga didn't really come. Like, hindi, for the lack of a better word, hindi ako ganun kaswerte in terms of like projects or bookings or ano. So ako, parang sabi ko, I'd give it a period of time to wait. Kasi they said, you have to wait din eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Para baka may darating or whatever. But I gave myself an ultimatum na I'll wait ganitong period lang. If ganitong period, walang dumarating na offers or whatever, it's time to let it go.
Okay.
Hindi naman ako agad na parang, parang immediately lumabas, ayoko na. I'll go somewhere else. Naghintay din ako. But honestly, I'm not getting any younger, and the waiting game will not pay my bills. It will not provide money in my bank account. So sabi ko, I cannot wait forever. Kaya nag-pursue na ako ng ibang things. So the experience did me good. At least I got experience. Tsaka buti, before ako sumali, nag-aral na ako. Kasi tapos na ako ng school eh.
Yes.
So, at least sabi ko, even if hindi ako swertehin dito, I can go somewhere. So, ganun siya.
Okay. I mean, you're also juggling between yung, syempre, the experience you had in PBB with the reality that
kailangan hindi. It's not as glamorous as you think. Na parang, if you join is equals to yayaman ka. Kasi a lot of Filipinos have this impression or belief that it's a ticket out of poverty.
Yeah.
But sorry, it's not 100% sure na pag sumali ka is equals to stardom, is equals to pagyaman.
Kasi most people, when they think of showbiz, they'll think of the famous ones.
A-listers.
Diba?
The A-listers.
They'll think of mga famous ngayon. Sina Donnie, all these guys. They have a lot of Kim Chu.
For me, kasama siguro yan if if nakatadhana.
Yeah.
Alam mo yon? Like, ang daming na hindi na you'd expect that will make it big, but they didn't. So sometimes talaga, if it's for you, if it's for you, it's for you.
Yeah.
Parang ganon. And I know it's not for me. Kaya I did other things na.
Okay. Yeah, kasi parang among the pool of people in showbiz, parang ilang percent lang yung A-lister, di ba?
Oo.
So parang what people don't see, and that's why my impression nga na
Oo.
yayaman ka automatically, is they don't see the let's say the 90% of
Oo.
those that
Hindi lang
are in
yun.
showbiz na hindi.
Oo. And hindi
Yaman.
lang yon. Like, for example, yung pool of yung mga newbies during my time.
Mhm.
Kayong mga newbies sa industry, yung mga kakapasok lang, ang dami nyo eh. 'Di ba? Ang dami nyo. Like, let's say, halimbawa, I'll give a example lang, you have, let's say, 100, 200 kayo.
Yeah. Oo.
Tapos ang available na roles, 10, 20, 30. O sino pipiliin doon? Kaya gets, it's
Oo.
mas maraming, sabi nga sa amin sa workshop noon, nung director namin, ngayon, noon, ang artista, pag sikat talaga.
Mhm.
Pag artista, kasi wala pa ng social media, walang TikTok, talent talaga pinag-uusapan. I'm talking like Nora Honor, Vilma Santos, Christopher De Leon. Pag magaling ka talaga.
Oo.
Ngayon kasi parang nag-viral ka lang sa TikTok, feeling mo artista ka na eh. Kahit hindi naman talaga. Ngayon, ang artista, mamiso na eh. When you say mamiso, ang dami eh.
Mhm.
Ang daming talent agency, ang dami ng manager, ang dami ng... Ngayon, ang artista, mamiso, ang dami.
Mhm.
And how many roles are there? How
Yeah.
many projects are there? Kaya parang sabi ko, ay, baka hindi ito for me. I'll just do other things.
Especially after the shutdown, na parang the industry was declining.
Especially
in terms of-
ABS-CBN, no? Nahirapan
Oo,
Totoo
yeah.
naman talaga. I mean, everyone is a witness on, na talagang na-down talaga.
Yeah. Tapos other than that, there's also the rise of like independent media.
Oo,
Sa
totoo.
TikTok, YouTube.
Yeah.
I mean, the attention span now is on TikTok.
Totoo.
Which
Yung
is-
mga, ngayon, mga influencers.
Mga influencers.
Nag-shift talaga yung
Parang short form content is becoming the big norm. Lalo na sa mga Gen Z millennial.
Correct. Hindi na pwede
tayo.
yung mahahaba na videos eh.
Oo.
Ngayon.
So that's I think that was I think at the time, it was a good decision. But if you experience, let's say, PBB now, na parang medyo bumabalik yung industry,
Oo.
would you've made the same decision?
Depende kung it's gonna depend on what cards will be dealt.
Kasi I feel like if the industry's booming, the
Oo.
opportunity, parang more opportunities.
Definitely.
Diba?
Ako siguro kung okay ang trabaho,
Oo.
kung constant, laging tsaka may
That makes sense.
clear defined career path na i-offer, go. Pero nung time ko kasi wala.
So kung may mga talent managers, mga nanonood ng Hey EO podcast,
yeah, oo, pwede naman
please hire
you can book me, diba? You just email me.
Ano email mo?
Nasa
Email mo na.
Instagram ko. Just follow me on Instagram and find it there.
So, what field of work are you focused on now?
PR, public relations. Yes, and I do hosting as well. I am you've definitely seen I've done it nung campaign.
Naman.
Pero nung campaign namin, volunteer host ako,
No
guys.
TF,
Oo.
anything.
Wala, it's really for the country. Love for country.
We'll be getting to that actually. Kasi
Oo.
na-meet ko si Justin on the campaign.
Campaign,
diba?
yeah.
Yung first natin was in Pampanga, yung sa
Motorcade,
province. We
yeah.
went around the whole province ba yun?
Parts of the province.
Parts
Di
of
naman
the
talaga siya
province.
whole, yeah.
Pero, so, for your PR job naman, parang how did you get into that?
My friend owns the agency. And then, parang, okay, tara, let's work.
Okay.
Ganun siya kadali. Wala lang anything. Okay, let's work together. Okay.
So, parang,
basta babayaran mo ako ng wasto.
Oo.
Madali ako kausap, guys. Di ba, gano'n naman tayo eh. Pag may trabaho, basta babayaran ka ng wasto, go. Wala nang daming kiyaw-kiyaw. Basta opportunity, babayaran ka ng wasto, go.
So, kausap mo yung mga companies, marami kang kilalang influencers,
yes.
and all that. How is it dealing with companies and influencers?
Well, we have good clients eh. So,
okay.
It's fun actually to work with them. Madali sila kausap, masaya sila katrabaho. So it's fun. Like, it doesn't feel like work.
Okay.
It feels like it's fun eh. So I never felt that I'm working, honestly.
That's nice.
Kasi okay ang katrabaho mo. Okay din ang friend. Kasi my friend is my boss. So okay. Pero we still know the boundaries naman of work and friendship. So that's good. That's a good thing.
How did you guys know each other? College?
From a common friend.
Common friend. Okay.
Tapos naman, dealing naman with influencers, wala. Like, wala. I feel them as normal people. Honestly, guys, hindi na ako, this is me. Okay, ako ang nagsasabi to coming from me. Hindi na ako na paano ba to, naliligalig kapag may nakita akong influencer or artista na parang, ay, hindi na ako nagaganon na. Siguro kung si Taylor Swift ang nakita ko, baka mahimatay ako. Pero hindi
Ba si
naman
Donnie.
kikiligin. Pero hindi ako mahimatay. Di ba? Pero like, guys, normal people lang din yan.
Oo
Diba? They're
naman,
normal
super.
people, mabaho rin ang tae niyan, at mabaho ang hininga pag umaga. So, diba? And they're just working. Just like any other,
Yep.
yun ang trabaho nila.
Yep.
So, ano yun, we're just all trying to make a living.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Hindi naman ako nababaliw pag nakakasama ko sila. And wala, okay, work. Diba? Some of them naging friends ko, yung iba work lang. Ganun.
Oh, it's good na humanize mo sila.
Oo.
Because, I mean, even just when we mentioned yung topic about yung perception tao na automatic mayaman ka na if you go into the industry. Parang, I mean, there's a lot of human and real elements to yung mga insights.
Ano kasi akong tao, I'm very practical. Like,
That's good.
Realistic
That's good.
ako. My view on things in the world is realistic.
How did you get to that point?
I've always been like that.
Always been like that.
Oh, I've always been practical and realistic. Hindi ako ganong nagpapantasya or nag-iilusyon. Dapat lang, totoo lang.
Ano yung, sino yung nag-influence sa'yo to be like that?
Hindi ko alam.
Ikaw lang,
Hindi
no?
ko alam, honestly. Parang, feeling ko you just discover that or do that as you grow older. Di ba?
That's good.
Kasi po tumatanda ka, mas na-expose ka sa reality ng buhay eh.
Mm.
So, no one taught me, no one influenced me. I think, I'd just say, everyone na nakasalamuha ko. And then, na-mold ako into like, this person. Ganun lang siya. Pero like, wala akong i-attribute na parang, oh, I got it from my lola or whatever. Because first of all, yung mga lola ko patay na. So, like,
never man sila na-meet?
No!
Oh, man.
No, both. Mother and father side. So wala. It's just really the people around me na na natuto ako ng ganito.
Hey there, thanks for watching the highlights of the Hey EO podcast. If you enjoyed, why don't you like this video and subscribe to my channel? You may also watch the full episode by clicking the clip in the middle.